Hi po, Direk. Question ko lang po. Mas mabigat po ba ang challenge na gumawa ng movie pag Metro Manila Film Fest entry or compared po sa ordinary movies na pinapalabas lang every year?
I'd say pareho din naman because the writing is the same. Kaya lang, syempre, pagka the challenge there is you're competing with several other films na kanya-kanyang estilo ng ika nga pagpapabongga. So that's where the challenge is. And it's been a joy doing projects with Vic kasi bihira ka naman makakakita ng producers and Vic and his co-producers na nagbibigay ng pagpapahalaga sa papel na ginagampanan ng manunulat sa proyekto. Kasi mayroon bang nagtatawag ng writer para sa mga bloggers night sa mga press? Kung wala, siya lang. Sabi ko, ikaw nagbibigay ka ng pagpapahalaga.
Sige, sabi mo eh.
But really, my collaboration with Vic started in 1978. We were 24 years old when we first worked together in School Bukol.
16 lang ako ng direct.
But me, well, I'm a little older than him.
Magagaling sa math yung mga yan.
I turned 60 the other day. I'm older than him. So, birthday ko pa lang eh. So, it's a very fruitful relationship. Ang dami na namin projects together. School Bukol, 2+2, Okay Ka Ferry ko. Ang dami na rin.
Thank you po. Bossing, question ko po kasi since every year naman po meron kayong nagiging entry sa Metro Manila Film Fest, meron pa po ba kayong nararamdamang pressure na sa pagiging blockbuster ng movie niyo? Kasi consistent naman siya na kundi 1, 2, or 3. Nakakaramdam pa rin po ba kayo ng pressure every year?
Ba't naman hindi? Nandun pa rin yung nervyos. Pero it's more of, lalo na with this film, it's more of excitement. I'm just so excited. Gusto ko Pasko na eh. Gusto ko mapanood ng mga tao kung ano yung what the pelikula is all about. It's one of my best films, I think, so far. And to think na walang fantasy, walang mga effects, na hindi naman talaga kailangan, you know. So, I'm just too excited. I can't even think of sino magna-number 1 right now or sino, you know, makakalaban. Kasi I don't, wala akong iniisip na kalaban eh. Parati naman ko na thinking ko pagdating ng festival. More importantly is marami manood, you know, in general, as a whole, para doon sa festival, kasi marami din naman nakikinabang. And as I said, I'm very, very excited dahil it's funny, it's very entertaining, it will cater to all ages, mga bata especially, and mga babae, kahit anong edad, mga teenager, mga young women, mga lola, lolo. I'm sure they will have a good time this coming Christmas pagka pinanood nila yung My Little Bosses.
Wow, what a declaration. One